Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and we just received this 2022 Scout 240 XSF. This boat is sold, but if you'd like to come by and see this in person before it leaves, you can come by our store at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526 with a big yellow building right off the highway. You can call us at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at MarineMax.com. This boat is shown in the crystal blue hull color. White Mercury Verado. Great bow seating up front. This is a very popular boat for Charleston, and there are open production slots for the rest of the year. Come by and see us today.